Hello and welcome to the next video in the section of NumPy. So in this video we will learn about the array indexing in NumPy. So how do you access array elements from a NumPy array? So array indexing is same as the accessing an array element, and now you can access an array element by referring to its index number. So each and every element inside a NumPy array has a certain index number, and if you want to access that particular element, you can access it by referring to its index number. So the indexes in NumPy array, they start with 0, meaning the first element of the array will have the index 0 and the second will have index 1. So as you already know, if you are already aware about the indexing in Python lists, and similarly the index of the first element in NumPy array also starts with 0. So fairly simple. Now we'll just have a look at a simple sample code. Now what you can do, if you want to get the first element from this one-dimensional array, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this indexing may and NumPy array indexing may also change based on the dimensions of the array, that will cover later. But as of now, for this code, we are just focusing on a simple one-dimensional array, a single NumPy array that contains 4 elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and the dimension for this array is 1. So the index for the first element will be 0, this will be 1, this will be 2, and this will be 3. So as this array contains 4 elements, the index will start from 0, 1, 2, and 3. Now if you want to access the first element, you can simply write ARR of 0. This is very similar to the accessing or indexing in Python lists. So if you are aware about that concept, this will be fairly easy for you. The other part of the code is simple, that we discussed in the last section. So import numpy as np, we made a simple 1D array, and after making this 1D array, we are trying to access the first element from this array. So the first element is 1. If you write this code, and in the output you will get 1 in the first element. Now what we can do, we'll just try to take a complex problem. What we are saying over here, we want to access the third and fourth element of this array, and we want to also add them. So we can perform this in one single step. First we'll make this array 1, 2, 3, 4. Now ARR of 2 will be 3 and ARR of 3 will be this element 4. So if we try to add them directly over here, we'll get the answer. We'll also see this demo in the practical section. So ARR of 2, by writing this, will be able to access 0, 1, and 2, this element. So 3 will be placed over here, and 4 by ARR of 3, that is the index position of 4 is 3 for this array, and 4 will be placed here, and we can directly add them up. So this is another use of array indexing. Now let's move to the 2D arrays. How do you access elements from a 2D array? So we can see that to access elements from 2D arrays, we can use a comma separated integers representing the dimension and the index of the array. So you can think of a 2D array like a table with rows and columns, where the rows represent the dimension of the array and the index represents the column of the array. Let me explain this with the help of an example. So as you can see, here we have a 2D array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, and 10. This is a 2D array. As already discussed, this 2D array is a collection of two 1D NumPy arrays. This is a this list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a single NumPy array, and this another list is another NumPy array. So what we can do to access elements from this 2D array? So first let us try to access second element from the first row. So second element, the index of the second element will be 1 because the index starts from 0, and the index of the first row will be 0, right? So index of the first row, that is 0, and then to access the second element we can write 1. So 0, 1, by writing this ARR 0, 1 into the square brackets, we'll get the second element from the first row. This will be more clear to you when we move to the practical section. So without any delay, let's move to the practical part and try to implement all this in a Jupyter notebook. So let us start with the practical implementation of array indexing. First of all, as usual, I'll import numpy. So import numpy as np. Now I'll create one array. I'll create one 1D array, and let's name it A. So np dot array, and I want to create a 1D array, so let's give 4, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is an array A, and it has 4 elements 3, 4, 5, 6, and dimension for this array is 1. So now let us have a look on indexing. So if I write A of 0, then I'm getting 3, because as already discussed, the index in the NumPy array starts with 0. So when you are telling NumPy to access the first element, that means you're giving the index position for that particular element. So the index position for the first element, that is 3, will be 0. Now if I want to access this element number 3, the value for that element is 5. So how can we do that? So this will be index 0, this is index 1, and this will be index 2. So if I write a of 2, then I'll get 5. We can also do something like this: a of 2 plus a of 0, then we are directly getting answer 8. So a of 2 is 5 and a of 0 is 3, and we are trying to add both the elements, so we can directly perform mathematical operations from here only. Now let's take one example for a 2D array. So let me create a markdown for 2D array. Now I'll make one 2D array. Let's name this B. So np dot array. And how do we make 2D array? By giving two lists or two one-dimensional arrays. So what we'll do, this will contain 1, 2, 3, and this will contain 4, 5, 6. So this is another two-dimensional array. Now what I can do to access the element, okay, let's increase the number of elements into this 2D array for better examples. So I'll add 2 more elements in each of them, and here I can start with 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So it goes 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So a small example can be, let's say if I want to access the element that is present in the second row and fifth column. First of all, I'll try to print this array. So I'll write B, and we want to, okay, let me run this cell again. And if I run it again, so now we have this 2D array that contains these elements. Now if I want to, let's say, access element from second row and fifth column. So I can write second row and fifth column. And then, so what I can do, I can write something like B1, 2, 4. So what it will do, it will give 10. So this is the first row for the array, and this is the second row. So we are trying to access second row and fifth column. So this is the fifth column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we can also see what this does, the first row and second. So it goes like 0, 1, 2. So this is the working of indexing in arrays. I hope you are clear with both the examples. This is how we try to access elements from a 2D array, and this is how we work with 1D arrays. So now moving on to the next concept. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubts or queries, then you can write down in the comments. Thank you.